Hello, you guys. Today, I'm going to give you guys a house tour. So first is the living room with TVs and couches. Next is the dog place where our four puppies sit. The first big one's name is Ruby. Then the tiny little puppy's name. First one is Molly, then Holly, then Lolly. Next up is the kitchen and the dining room. It's a pretty big kitchen and it's also a pretty big dining room with a window close to it. Next is the girls' bedroom. The older girls and the younger girls both share a bedroom together. So the younger girls have bunk beds, then they have toys, and the older girl has her own bed and they have toys and stuff. Next, it's a parent's bedroom. They have a bed, a makeup place, a laptop place, and a TV, and it's a really cool place. Next, one of the best rooms is the fashion room. It's the place where they only keep their clothes, storage, and their suitcases, and it's a really fashionista room. Bye!